Good morning, Forex traders. Welcome to my live trading room. This is where I trade systems such as day trading, swing trading, and the four horsemen. I got the website up here for you if you want to link up your MT4 to my MT4, receive my trades, the same exact trades that I make, whether or not you have your MT4 open. Just go to the link below and click on the Manage tab, and it'll direct you on
Day Trade
okay.
Alert. Day Trade Alert.
We'll get into that here in a second. So I see. So as you see here, you can go to the
alert. Day Trade Alert.
Okay, sign me up page will bring you directly into where you can sign up to receive those trades. It's basically
Day Trade Alert.
Yeah.
Day Trade Alert.
Yeah, the market's popping right now. So where was I? Okay, so this is where you can
Day Trade Alert. Day Trade Alert.
Should be the last one. Let me look here. No, it's not. It says it's got one more. Let me try and delete them. Maybe no.
Day Trade Alert.
No.
Day Trade Alert.
I'm trying to get them. Okay, I got them. All right, there we go. Now, where was I? Okay, so you can sign up right up over here, and it's basically an account manager, and I'll manage your account, but I'll do it remotely. And you can have a couple of brokers here to choose from as well that it works with. You can choose any of your any brokers that you want. Make sure you do your due diligence, and make sure these brokers have these requirements that are listed right here. So let's get into some stats. All right, got my day trade stats over here. Sitting through a little bit of drawdown right now at the moment, and swing trade definitely a drawdown. Now these are all new stats. Okay, these are since I've been doing them here with you live, and the swing trading has not been doing very well at all. In fact, I have some news for you. I'm only going to be doing the day trading for a while here because so only the day trading. Okay, from here on, and the reason why, not only because my my stats have not been good on the swing trading. It started off really well, but it's just been not behaving itself according to the system. But the day trading's been doing really well, and I've been getting a lot of day trades in here. Okay, so anyways, this is my equity curve. But because I'm gonna be trading for a prop firm, and this is the prop firm right up over here. This is my prop firm's platform. I was checking it out. I just downloaded it, and so I'm gonna show you something because I've always heard of institution platforms or institutional traders, the big institutions. I've always heard that they have no spread. So check this out. Look at this. This thing has no freaking spread at all. Look, watch this. Watch this. 71. Look at that. 0.9. 71.2. 71.3. There's zero spread. Zero. That is so cool. And yes, it's a live account. It's with the prop firm, CTI. Look at that. No spread at all. None. Let me enlarge this. Here's my... But my pen's not working. Yeah, my pen's not working. Alright, so yeah, okay, yeah, I think I got my pen working now. Okay, so yeah, this is my line right here. Right? Let's zoom in. Look at this, look. 42.3, so 42.3, 42.3. It's sometimes it goes 42.2 and 42.3. But yeah, that's super cool. Let's zoom in. Whoa, that's the wrong chart. This is my main chart. Okay, let's go back over here. This is it. Look at this. This is where see the spread? See, look at that. And it's now it's nothing. And every now and then it goes up by a sliver. Pretty cool. I've always heard about that, but now I see it. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to be trading for them. It's going to be a evaluation process. So it's going to I'm going to be setting my. It's basically hooked up to the Trade Copier, and because the reason why I'm not going to be doing the swing trading is because I only have a certain amount of lots that I can use, and since I take so many day trades, I don't want to get in a situation where I'm using up all my lots for a long-term swing trade, and I need them for my day trades. So, but anyways, let's get into price action right now. This is what I got. I got a lot of movement. So I thought this was going to end up being a down continuation, but instead we got the up and just no entry. So yeah, the dollar has not reached its high yet. So these are the highs up here. No, a little bit more up here, and it has not come up to even come to these highs yet. So the dollar portion's lagging. The pound has already made the new high, and I am break even right now. My swing trade for the Aussie yen, but the yen pairs are looking strong. What I still need is for a price to come down and give me my entry signal, and you guys all know what that entry signal is. So. But right now, it looked like the euro is going to break up and give me that signal, but it's already come right back down again. So that's what all the alerts were all about. All right, with all that being said, if you are interested in how I trade, let's go. That has got to be the worst transition I think I've ever did. I keep forgetting to do my intros, but I was so excited to show you my the prop firm account. So, anyways, but yeah, so the more emphasis on day trading and not so much on swing trading. I'm still going to be tracking it. It's just went through a horrible phase. Where it was taken week after week of just little losses, like small little losses, but those little losses are like little razor blades. You only get one shot a week, and so you gotta wait sometimes weeks or months to see profit from that system. You can see sometimes in my day trading when I go through a drawdown, it'll last a week. I think we even went through a 2-week drawdown, but it gets so many day trades to where you cycle through it really quickly. Yeah, so anyways, I need to save my lot size, and I need to save it for the day trades, for the best performers. All right, anyways, it is 2:38 a.m. on the 12th of January 2021, and I am sitting here waiting for any type of trade confirmations. Let's go to the setups here and see what we got. So we did have that bounce on the M2. It just never got the trade entry. I got the bounce, got the bounce. So all my yens are okay as far as the trade setup, and now I just need the confirmations. The euro dollar is down too far. It's below my M2. My M2 is way back here. Okay. Now I am set up on my Aussie US dollar. Let me go ahead and bring this thing on over. I think we were looking at that yesterday. Yeah, this thing's too big. Here we go. So yeah, that one's all set up and nice. And now I am getting the break for the pound. So let me put that one up there. Yeah, it's going to be right here. Okay, there we go. All right, so we got that one. That's more like a tomorrow trade. Wow, I just can't believe the pound just, completely defied my expectation there. Anyways, I'm going to sit here and do some work, and I'll keep you updated. All right, it's 4:02 a.m. Just checking out the market. So the pivot points saved me from a bad entry. Let's take a further look at this here. I was looking at this breakup right here, but immediately came right back down below the point of control. Point of control being right here. So far the pivot saved me from a bad entry. So far just standing by. All right, just taking a noon o'clock update, and I want to point out a couple things. We did have some bullish moves here out of the euro, and I did get the break up that I wanted, and then the subsequent retest. But this was actually done in the Asian session. This is my London session right here. This is my New York session right here, and this is my Asian session right here. So yeah, it didn't happen in the time frame that I wanted to. The reason why I don't take those Asian sessions is because often the reversal comes opposite of the direction of the Asian session. So often you get something more like this, and that's why I put more weight on what happens in the London session. Yes, you can say this is a front run to the London, but I have hard rules. So that excluded these two moves up right here. And unfortunately, here with the pound, I just never got any opportunities here. I mean, who knew, right? Because, I mean, this was a lower high, and I just never got the build up and then the breakout that I was hoping for on that. So a little bit out of sync here with the markets. I do have a really nice build up right here. I've been waiting all day. You can see I've been pushing pause and play on the recorder, just because I've been tracking this here, and I'm hoping that we get this nice sideways box, and I will be able to enter in to that trade. Let's go ahead and take a look at the euro US dollar on the full pivot charts, because we are still way below. And this is my M2 right here. This is my central pivot for tomorrow. This is my central pivot for today. So you know, what I do need for it to do is for it to maybe come up here and calm down. Maybe by Thursday we'll be able to have an entry, or yeah, by, let's see, Wednesday. So what's tomorrow? Wednesday. Yeah, by Thursday, I'm hoping that we maybe get a move or an opportunity to enter in. But yeah, so I do have entries that are going to be available for me on both the Aussie yen and Aussie dollar. I will have an entry on the Canadian yen, and I most likely will have an entry on the euro yen. Let's stay tuned. Okay, it's 2:47 p.m., so we're still about 13 minutes out from the New York close. I'm going to go ahead and flip it on over now to my day trade full pivots. Let's see where we're at here. All right, so I will have a entry. I'm going to go mid box. The reason why is because with the prop firm that I'm trading with, they want me to, they limit my amount, my maximum lots used at one time, and if I'm entering into a bunch of trades, I gotta keep it tight as much as I can. So, and plus that's the original plan anyways. That was the original stats that I gained anyways from the system. So I was just looking at the possibility of changing that, but I'm just going to keep it the way it is. So more on that later. Anyways, so let's go ahead and take a look here. We didn't quite hit the take profit zone on the pound, so I'm going to go midpoint. We have not hit the profit target on the dollar version of the pound, so I'm going to go midpoint, which is here. And so the Australian yen, we have not hit the daily take profit zone, so I'm going to go top of the central pivot. And we did hit the take profit zone, so I'm going to go midpoint with the Australian US dollar. Looks like we may be entering in sideways into the CAD yen's zone, so we're going to go midpoint. And here, let's see here. We don't trade Bitcoin, but it is setting up for a long in here, right in here, with low risk with the stop right down here. So and then I have a down box. It looks like right now it's setting up to be a down box. So I'm hoping that it can wait until it breaks out during the London session tomorrow and not do an early breakout like how we saw earlier on the Aussie pairs. The euro dollar. This is my M2. This is my daily pivot. So we're the daily pivot's below the M2, and that's not a trade setup. So there we go. We got 15 minutes. Nope, we got 10 minutes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and preemptively go ahead and place my buy limit in here now, just because when the spread goes, I won't be able to place that that limit order in. Okay, so we're within 1 minute now. All right, so there is the close. Let's go ahead and mark that out. And immediately went up. Okay, so this one is more than likely an M5. I'm going to have to go into my CAD and take a look here. You're okay. CAD yen. All right. Yeah. Give it an R3. I think it's safe to say. we go. Okay, we got that one in. Okay, my next order of business here is, let's see, the closest one. After that, I don't have one on the Euro Yen, unfortunately. Don't have anything on the Euro US dollar. We just did the CAD Yen. So let's just move up here. Let's do here. Okay, so this one's going to be the central pivot. And my spread is 2.4. I went 2 times the spread. And let's go ahead and check that out. Australian yen. Okay, it's an average size one for the most part. All right. That's a little bit too far. Okay, that's fine. All right, continuing on, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this pound yen. This one's going to be a mid box. Alright, so let's go ahead and mark my stop and take profit. Well, that one goes well above my take profit. This is a really small take profit zone compared to last week. All right, well, going midpoint gives me a half decent risk to reward. Okay, so my very next one on the list is going to be the pound US dollar. Same thing here. And we're going to have to do the same thing here with this one. All right. And the final one on the block is going to be my Australian US dollar. This one's also going to be a midpoint. Okay, and here we go. We have all my pending orders in. And make sure that all my stop losses and take profits are in. Okay, that's correct. Curious to see now spread on my prop firm broker, or the liquidity provider. Not even a broker, it's a liquidity provider. So yeah, there is spread right now with them. Interesting. I will need to know if we do come up to our my take profit target. So let's go ahead and set those alerts now. Same thing here. As you can see right now, I don't have any orders in here, just because it will execute here on the liquidity provider with CTI, the prop firm, as soon as my trades on my master account gets triggered. As soon as those pending orders get triggered. So what do you think? 27 minutes, not bad. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Stay tuned, because we're going to see where these trades go. The first trades with the prop firm. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens with them. We'll see you in the next video.